In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch NFL on Roku. Start by going to Roku home screen and selecting Streaming Store or Search. Type NFL and look for the official NFL app. Select the app, choose Add App and wait for it to install. Once the installation is complete, open the NFL app and sign in with your NFL account. Depending on your subscription and the type of game, you may be able to access live NFL Network programming, preseason games, replays, and other available content. You can also watch NFL games through live streaming services available on Roku, such as Roku TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, or Sling TV. Search for your preferred service in the Roku streaming store, install the app and sign in with your account. Then open the live guide and find the channel broadcasting your NFL game. If you have a TV provider, you may also be able to use NFL app to connect to your provider account. Open the NFL app, go to Profile or Settings section, choose the TV or streaming provider login option, and follow on-screen activation instructions. Enter the activation code if you are given one, select Provider, and sign in with your provider credentials. And that's how you can easily watch NFL on Roku. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.